look at Myro. Looks like we came pretty damn close to nailing this bottom, right? Was calling for down here 1618. Called for 00877. Came down to let's see, 0.01, about a penny, right about there. Okay, just about nailed it. Looks like bottom is in here. I would be pretty comfortable in saying that. All right, ended up making this on the daily chart. Got a higher high here, and also if we look at this and pull a trend line down through here, you can see it's just about ready to break it, right there. I think it breaks this, and it's really going to pick some steam up. I'd like to see it take out this this high right here. Okay, right about, what is that? 0.02028. Okay, it takes out this high here. We're good. All right. I think if it breaks this resistance here, right at, what is that? 0.0159. Call it 0.016. I think Myro is really going to pick some steam up. Looking pretty decent. This thing is pulled way back. Holy cow! I remember covering this way up here. I mean, way up in this area for quite a while, right? This thing. Let's wipe this chart clean. Let's wipe all this off here, all right? Because you're going to have a couple of key areas here to take. You got a resistance line coming down off here. This is the big one. This one, and it has broke it, really. Bring that down through there. It broke that one. All right, then if we pull up in here, if you pull this tight, right through here, and then you can see a break, right? I mean, this has been resistance for a long time, almost like a fallen wedge here. Let's take a look. Yeah, do have a wedge type pattern in here. I love fallen wedges, man. Nothing more bullish than a fallen wedge, that's for sure. Yeah, see, you zoom out on this and you can see it a lot better. Just a downward wedge channel, whatever you want to call it. I call it a wedge. You can also see a resistance point right through here. Okay, the one that it's about ready to take out. Myro's about ready to go. I mean, look at this. I'm going to put this out in Discord. This is the first time I looked at it in a while. It's breaking resistance here. This is a big one for it to break. You got one touch, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here's the 5th one. And it looks like it's going to surprise some people and take off. Look at that. Just starting to break it, right? You hit the weekly RSI. Look at it. Just turning up. Myro looks great. The monthly is just starting. It looks like it could be turning up. The daily looks good. Yeah, this thing looks ready to blow. No question about it, guys. Keep your eye on Myro. This thing, it's just starting. I think this one's going to shock some people. Just starting to break out, right? And Bitcoin, over here. Let's take a look at it real quick. It's probably going to pull Myro up because I'm on it while this is loading. If you would please hit the like and subscribe, I'd appreciate it, guys. And we have a level 3 membership where we leverage trade. We have 178 members in there. Come join us and trade these moves. You're gonna have a huge move coming up here in this thing. I want to show you Bitcoin real quick though, because it is obviously doing its thing, leading the market up over $5,600 now. All right, let me get my Bitcoin chart up. My right one. Okay, yeah, this is it. Let's pull this out. I apologize about a lot of the lines here. I get trying to explain stuff in my videos and end up getting too many lines on here. All right, now with this thing coming up here, the big question is what's going to happen in this zone. All right, if you put a Fibonacci on here from top to bottom, All right, that's our 618702. All right, 98,099. Um, if it gets rejected in here, you know, you're looking at a big ABC. Okay, right down through here, A, B, C. All right, which the altcoin season would start. We wouldn't miss out on that. That C leg, them altcoins would be smashing it. All right, and this is a weekly chart. It would take a while to finish that C leg up, but the altcoins would definitely be going. The question is, does it break through 100? You know, not a wick. Wicks can the closing candle with confirmation. You know, a good close. Then would be heading towards 130. All right, but if you come out on a monthly, I got a problem here. If you know Elliott Waves and you watch your channel, you know, look at that. What do you see? Pull this in a little bit. You know, take a look. You know, I see 5 waves. And usually 5 waves means the end of a move, right? And this is a monthly. Each one of these candles represents a month. You have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, right there. Okay, so is this correction in here good enough, this push down, or is this a big ABC? That's what we're going to have to pay attention to. All right, and if you like leverage trading, guys, that level 3 membership's $15. Come over and join us. There's also a link for weeks in the description of the video. A leverage trading site. A lot of us over in Discord use it. If you just like leverage trading, please use the link in the description. Helps the channel out a ton, and go try them out. I love it. Use it every single day. And look at this pop. I mean, this is starting to look really good. Bitcoin dominance is getting near its top, and it's going to start rolling over, and we're going to see a lot more than this daily. You're going to see stuff up 50%, 60. You know, just crushing it. I'm telling you, watch. You're gonna, if you haven't been through an altcoin season yet, just wait. Look at Tala's up for the week, 44%. Caspa at 28.7. Fetch. H-bar is next. H-bar is gonna really take off. I think this could be the starting phase, you know, of an altcoin season. This is the numbers, you know, this on instead of weekly, you'll see stuff like this daily, right? I know it's hard to believe. I've been through it, guys. I know. So keep your eye on this stuff. You know, Myro looks like a possible bottom here. It's looking pretty decent, and watch this thing go. It's getting there. Have a great day, guys. Please hit that like and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching my channel. Thank you to the members. You guys are the best. I love you. Talk to you soon.